I just graduated high school and it was 2018. I was looking for something to do with my music after high school because I know I wanted to do some professional music production. And I went on Google and searched up for music schools. And in the area of Boston, they offer like Berkeley, other music school courses. We have Boston Symphony. But I seen that Recording Connections popped up and I was eyeing it and I was like looking, but I was skeptical, should I not? Until I made the decision with my friend one day to just apply, call, ask questions, and they got me into a interview with Steve, and here I am. So the first time meeting with Steve wasn't the way I expected it to be. I came in thinking it was gonna be intimidating, like, oh my gosh, will he like my music? Like, oh, this is a professional guy, like, I'm not professional, like, sheesh. But it was totally the opposite, literally the opposite. It was like I came in, it's like, all right, let's get into it. Let me hear your music. And then we dived into the music, and from listening to the music, he can tell like how serious I am, what I want to do. And we started the conversation about what I want to do with the music. The way he approached it, it was a mix of both. He would ask questions, parental questions, what is this, what's going on, right, to get more information. But then he would sit back and really like watch what's going on and see how I'm acting with it, to see if I really want it and something I really wanted. So before Recording Connection, I was just figuring it out on my own, right? Trying to learn the music, trying to engineer, produce as well, and record. And that's the main thing. I had people that really liked my music, but the recording part was the problem because I didn't know how to record and I needed to record people, right? So after Recording Connection, I can pretty much do a lot more than I really thought I could have. A lot more. Over 10,000. As far as engineering, Recording Connections, they taught me everything. From the input of the mic to EQing, mastering, right? The finished product, everything. And there's a lot to it. It's a lot. Big one. Be here. A lot of students do not come and give up too early. Maybe they think it's too easy, or I have no idea. But be here. That's the whole point. Really take advantage of being here. Simply just being here, there's an opportunity always an opportunity waiting. So just be there and make the most of it. Get all the knowledge you need. Be here.